On today's episode of Living Among Trains, I'm going to travel from New York City to Secaucus, New Jersey, and see 3 different types of trains in the area. Welcome to Humanity Junction, where the city intersects with humans. Yesterday I had to make a work-related trip, so I decided to capture the trains along the way. I'm going to do all of the talking now in the beginning of this video so that you can focus on the sights and sounds without my interruptions. I started off my trip on the New York City Mass Transit Authority IRT line. I took the subway to New York's Penn station, where I got on a New Jersey Transit train to Secaucus, New Jersey. Then once in Secaucus, I visited a train yard where I was able to get up close and personal to a Norfolk Southern GP 38-2. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoy these types of videos. Before I show yesterday's footage, I do have some announcements, but I'm going to make them quick. I just received the shirt that I'm wearing from Jimmy at DIY and Digital. Be kind and play with trains. I will post his links below. It's sometimes said that the model railroading hobby is dying, that it's too expensive for kids to get involved, and that the lack of traditional brick and mortar hobby shops impair the ability of the hobby to grow with younger generations. So we're going to do something about that. Michael McCarville is holding a giveaway for an HO starter set that can be given away over Christmas. On December 2nd, 2020 at 8:30 p.m., Michael's going to hold the giveaway on his YouTube channel. The winning adult will agree that the train set will be passed along to a youth under the age of 18. So please subscribe to Michael McCarville's channel and join the giveaway to promote our favorite hobby to the next generation. Over the next minute, I will talk about the 2 sponsors of my YouTube channel, CMR Products and Iron Planet Hobbies. CMR Products has designed and developed several in-house brands and are currently creating new items. Please check out their products at cmrproducts.com and use the discount code HUMAN for 7% off their in-house brands. Iron Planet Hobbies is a model shop that specializes in DCC and stocks nearly 100% of Digitrak's NCE, TCS, Soundtrax, Digikai's, ESU, and Nix trains. They also have select products from other brands. Please visit their website at ironplanethobbies.com and use the discount code HUMAN at checkout to receive a 10% discount and free shipping in the USA. And now a huge thank you to all my supporters on both Patreon and those that have purchased items from my Teespring store. If you would like to find more information about supporting this channel, all of the links are in the description below. And now, without further talking, enjoy the sights and sounds of my train trip from New York City to Secaucus, New Jersey.
Attention please. Amtrak is requiring that customers wear facial coverings while in stations and aboard trains. Attention please. Now boarding on track 3, both east and west gates is the New Jersey Transit 904 AM Northeast forward going on route to Transit, making stops in Secaucus, Newark Penn Station, Newark Airport, New Brunswick, Princeton Junction, and Hamilton, terminating in Transit.
Secaucus, Newark Airport, New Brunswick, Princeton Junction, Hamilton, and Trenton. Secaucus will be first off ticket. Secaucus Junction.
Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and select the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks again, and have a great day.